Concrete Peacock. Coloring. I started my project with a metal base, shaped it into a form of a bird, and started to add layers of concrete. Layer upon layer, spraying with water in between to keep it from cracking in the future. Concrete needs lots of water while it is drying. Keep spraying it for a few days or even weeks. You can use various tools to create different patterns. Kitchen utensils come very handy. I like to use spoons to smooth some parts of my project. I didn't want to spend too much time making this bird, so I decided to make a small but detailed tail. So I started to color with black first to create a background for my other colors. Keep your brush moist at all times. You should give your concrete enough time to cure before you start painting. My coloring medium is just a regular acrylic paints. Nothing fancy. However, you can use paints made specifically for concrete. Maybe because I used regular paint, I had to apply them a few times for deeper colors. This is very easy process if you let your imagination do all the work.
And here is a peacock.
I think he looks pretty. I love how the colors came out. It is heavy, and I won't have to worry about it being knocked over by a strong wind. Please like and share my video. Subscribe for more content. Enjoy!